Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to be exploring Shortgrass Library System's catalog, learning how to place a hold and view our accounts. So let's start with our website. Today I am looking at the website for Rolling Hills Public Library, but you should start with the website for your own library. All of the Shortgrass Library websites are set up with the same layout, so you can still follow these instructions. You'll start by clicking on Books and More on the left-hand side of the page. Here you'll see several different menus. Go to the Central section and click where it says Search the Catalog. This will take you to the catalog where all of our books are organized. You'll see your library's logo at the top left-hand corner of the screen. So today, we can see Rolling Hills Public Library. Now let's place our book on hold. To do this, I am going to show you how to do a very basic search. You will click on the search bar next to where it says keyword, and then you'll type in the title of your book. You may also want to type in the author's name too. Make sure that you have the spelling correct or it won't work. You can always do a search in Google first to make sure you have those details correct. As you can see, I have typed in the title of my book, Midnight Bargain, and the author's surname, Polk. I will then click on the magnifying glass button, the search button, to look for that book. As you can see, the specific search has found my book for me right away. If I'd only entered the title, I might have had to scroll down the page to find the right book. I can see looking at this title that there are several different formats available. I can also see if the book is available now or if there is a wait for it. I want the physical copy of this book, so I am going to click Place a Hold. Here I'm going to have to log in. You're going to enter your library card number, that's the barcode on your library card, and your PIN. If you can't remember your PIN number, get in touch with your library and they can help you. Click Submit once it's all typed in, and it will take you back to the book. The site will ask you which library you want to collect your book from. It will default to your regular library, but you can always change that if you need to. And then you'll click on Confirm Hold. It will then say that your hold has been placed, and it will tell you where you are online. So in this case, I am number 4. You can view your holds at any time by going back to the top of the screen and clicking on your username in the top right-hand corner. You'll see a little drop-down menu appear, and you'll click where it says On Hold. Here, you'll be able to see all of the materials that you are waiting on and where you are in the line. You can also cancel your hold here. And that's all there is to it. Your hold has been placed, and your library will notify you when it is ready for pickup. Make sure that you log out of your account if you are using someone else's computer. You just click on your username again, and then right beneath it, it says Log Out. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials to learn more about all of our amazing digital resources. And if you have any questions, please contact your library. Thank you, and have a great day.